In this video, I'm going to share with you how to add XAUUSD to your MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and go to quotes. First of all, you need to look if you have here XAUUSD. If you don't have it, click on this plus icon here at the top right. Then go to find symbols and type XAUUSD gold. And you will see it here, XAUUSD gold versus US dollar. So click on this plus icon, and now let's go back and scroll down until the end, and you will see it here. As you can see, XAUUSD. Now all you have to do is click on it and click on chart. And as you can see here, this is the chart of the XAUUSD. Okay, this is on the 5-minute time frame, and this is on the 1-minute time frame. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.